nanoCAD Pro is Nanosoft's advanced version of nanoCAD Plus. It has a comprehensive set of drawing and editing tools, including 2D constraints, and then adds even more powerful tools for 3D solids modeling. Thousands of professional designers and engineers around the world use nanoCAD Pro to create many types of documents for all sectors: mechanical engineering, construction, land management, and more. You start working easily in nanoCAD Pro in one day without extra training. Its interface is convenient and intuitive. All commands are grouped logically and easily understood with their large, clear icons. With the implementation of the dynamic input feature, you set dimensions and sizes directly in the workspace without the command line. All these greatly simplify your work in nanoCAD Pro. Here you see a 3D solid part in nanoCAD Pro. You can extract engineering views in 2D using standard tools like cross-section to make cuts, side views, top views, and so on. By moving the cursor around the screen, the appropriate view is created, such as this isometric one. You can divide the drawing area in half to see two kinds of views of the model at the same time. Here we have a three-dimensional part in one half of the screen and the 2D representation in the other one. Turning on the line weight feature makes lines easier to see. You can use nanoCAD Pro's 2D drawing tool to select any face on which to draw. Here we draw a circle, setting the size as a parameter. A sketch outline appears on the upper part. Let's move to using three-dimensional modeling tools to extrude a facet by 3 millimeters. Changes show up simultaneously on the 3D part and the 2D sketch. Works the other way too. Here we make a chamfer on the 3D part to immediately see the change in the 2D drawing. nanoCAD Pro uses advanced technology such as DirectX 10 API, so you work with drawings of any complexity. This provides a high speed of navigation and fast screen regeneration. nanoCAD Pro incorporates a new 3D solid modeling kernel, C3D from C3D Labs. Provides users with feature-based 3D modeling, as well as extended import and export functions with the most common formats such as STL, IGES, and STEP. In particular, the new C3D kernel supports the STL format, and that allows nanoCAD Pro to print 3D models on 3D printers. It supports the newest DWG 2018 format with dynamic blocks, drawing tables, specifications, multi-leaders, proxies, and so you can effectively collaborate with designers working in other CAD systems without conversions or data loss. In many CAD systems, raster underlays are non-editable background images. This means you can see them, but cannot edit them. nanoCAD Pro supports raster images as objects, creating hybrid documents that contain both raster and vector data. You can add raster images from any source, such as downloading them from the internet, creating them in a paint program, importing them from another application, and even pasting them from the clipboard. Once in the drawing, you can edit the images through the raster menu. Here you find editing tools like eraser, pencil, and fill. Images can be fixed with the deskew, image rotate, and 4-point connection tools. You can draw on top of raster images with commands like line, arc, and dimension. And as you do, nanoCAD Pro catches all available geometric snap locations, like endpoint, nearest, and center. Naturally, nanoCAD Pro prints every kind of hybrid document directly to printers, or exports them to PDF files, and even rasterizes them into uneditable DWG format. Nanosoft developed its own core technology to work with extra-large point clouds. It handles over 1 billion points effortlessly. Once you place the point cloud in a drawing, you can change its display, make sections, and define clipping. nanoCAD Pro uses DWG as its native file format, and so it opens drawings produced by any other similar CAD package, as well as linking to external drawing files. To work with architectural models, it imports IFC files into DWG documents. IFC is the international standard for exchanging BIM models. Once the IFC model is opened in nanoCAD Pro, you can view it in parallel and perspective projections, examine data in the model, generate reports, and so on. You can walk through the model using the W, A, S, and D keys to move forwards, backwards, and sideways. In short, it's a universal IFC viewer that handles both DWG and BIM models. You don't need to pay thousands of dollars to access these kinds of functions, as some competitors charge. Starting at just $290, you get the nanoCAD Pro 11 software with a full year of technical support and all updates as they're released. Right now you can download free the 30-day trial version of nanoCAD Pro and create great products of the future.